Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about helping your veterinary practice attract, engage, and retain clients. Broadcasting a new podcast every Monday from sunny Southern California, here's your host, Brandon Bashirs.
Hey there, everybody. How's it going? My name is Brandon Bashirs. Welcome to episode number 148 and a half. I want to thank you for listening and taking the time to listen. This is a quick in-between episode where we talk about a very quick tip or trick or tool that you can use to implement in your veterinary practice. And so we've been doing a series on video production and video creation. And so in this quick in-between episode, I want to give you a tool that you're going to be able to use to edit your videos. Now, there's a bunch of tools out there. We have wondershare is something I've mentioned in the past. We have iMovie, we have Final Cut Pro, we have Premiere Pro, but the better kind of editing softwares with additional features and making your videos look more professional cost quite a bit of money. So if you're looking for something that's free, I found something that's called DaVinci Resolve 15, and it is a free, basically very comparable to Premiere Pro. It is a little bit more difficult to use, but it's free. You just have to get the hang of it, and there's tons of videos on YouTube on how to edit on it. So check out DaVinci Resolve 15. You can get it at blackmagicdesign.com, and you can download it for free there. And so it has color grading and all kinds of cool features. So if you don't have the budget, or if it's not in the budget to find something like Premiere Pro, but you want the features that Premiere Pro has, then check out DaVinci Resolve 15. All right, that's all for this week. Be sure to subscribe in iTunes or Google Play. See you on next episode. We're going to be talking about YouTube and how to use YouTube for your veterinary practice. It's going to be a great episode. So be sure to leave a review if you enjoy the podcast, and talk to you soon.